Hi and welcome to my channel. I have a Happy Mail package here in front of me. It's from Citrus Book Bindery. It's a couple of notebooks I ordered from their site. It has been here since this morning, but I have been able to keep my hands off it and not open it until I could film this unboxing video. We have had a bit of a family day this week. The children had their week off from school. It's kind of a fall vacation thing we have here in the Netherlands. And that's for the people who don't know me. I'm from the Netherlands, so if my English is not perfect, I'm sorry in advance. I'm trying to make this in English so a lot of more people will understand what I'm saying. Let's open this package because I can't wait anymore. It's past midnight right now, so my kids are sleeping. We are having a kind of a slumber party here in the living room. And they're on their mattresses and they're fast asleep. At least I hope so. I think so. So I hope I'm not waking them up while filming this. Oh, it's so amazing. So I ordered this on the 7th of October, and these are actually handmade journals, and they sent it to me. I think I got the message a couple of days ago. I can't remember the exact date, but it was so extremely fast. It's from the UK, and my idea was, well, before Brexit is final, let's order some stuff from the UK because you never know what happens. It says open here, so let's do that. Ooh, I like the sound. Yes. Okay. Oh, I love this. What do you call it? Gift wrap. Gift wrap? Is it gift paper? Gift wrap? As you can see, this is no Wi-Fi required, and they have a 10% discount code for me on the back of this card to use for my next order. And if this is what I hope it is, this is exactly the way I hope it is, I am sure I will order again. I ordered 3 different journals. I will get them out of this box first. Oh, there's my invoice. Packing slip, invoice. I'll keep the invoice next to me so I can tell you what size I ordered and what the covers are called, because they all have their own names. And they said, oh, that's so sweet. They said, "Dank je." That's Dutch for thank you. It's so sweet. Ian and Fran are the owners of Citrus Book Bindery, and I have been a member of their Facebook group for a while now, and I see all these gorgeous journals and I'm so jealous every time I see them. And I have been thinking about which one to get for myself, and first I thought I will ask it to Santa this year, but I couldn't wait anymore. As you can see, 3 different sizes. I'll start with the biggest size, and this is an A5 journal. And the A5 journal has a cover that's called Fairy Lights. Oh, I don't want to rip this. Oh, this beautiful paper. It's almost like it's my birthday. The journals aren't that heavy. Oh, it's amazing. And it has my name on it. I chose the gold foil. But you can choose a lot of colors. If you go to their website, you can, I'll put a link down here in the description box. You can always see what colors they have available. And this is so gorgeous. It feels not too heavy, but it's a good size for me to hold on to. There are 2 elastics here. Did I tell you this is called Fairy Lights? I'm not sure if I told you that. It's Fairy Lights. It's in the size A5. It has the 100 grams multimedia paper. And this is the wide. There's also, I think, a thicker one that's chunky. And that is my other 2 journals. Those are chunky. This is a wide one. And this is hand stitched, of course. And I think I chose to have page numbers. There is also a page marker trio And I have an index that was kind of a new option from them, I think, when I ordered. And a monogram, of course, my name on the bottom right. And it's standard grid paper. So I've been working with, oh, this is the content. Oh, I love this. The paper is amazing. I don't think I've felt paper like this before. No, I have not owned a journal before with this kind of paper. It's amazing. Wow, and I love how many pages you have for the content. This is the index, and this is the grid paper. I love it. I chose the page numbers. I love it how there is some room on the side so it doesn't feel crowded. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. So the white version has 340 pages. Yeah, this is 332 with the index page and everything. I think it's 340. So I love it. It's gorgeous. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this one. I usually have journals with the dots, the dot grid paper. I'm not sure if it's called dot grid, but I like the standard grid paper. It's 5 millimeters. I think you have different sizes, 3.5, and there's a bigger one. I think it's 7 millimeter. So that's that. I love this one. It's gorgeous and it's not too heavy. So if you have this on your lap and you want to write something, you take it on a train, on a bus with you, it's not too heavy. So that's that. The second one. Oh, I'm so curious about this one. I'm not sure which one this is. These are the two B6 size journals I've ordered. This is the black. Oh, it's even more gorgeous than I thought. Okay, so let's get this out of the way. This is my, that is not what I was looking for. This is my original citrus hardcover journal with diamond binding. This is called diamond binding. And I chose to, well, I asked, actually, oh, I forgot about this. I forgot that I chose the lotus flower on the front. As kind of an extra, and my name on the right, on the bottom right of this cover, and I chose to get the pink details. I think it's usually something else with gray and black. I'm not sure, but I saw a picture of someone's journal where they had, I think it's what's kind of a traveler's notebook with pink details, and I was so in love with it, and I had to have one myself. But I don't use that many traveler's notebooks, so I thought I'd just ask if it's possible to make me a regular hardcover journal with the pink details, and it's gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. Different colors of pink. I love it so much, and they even put a page marker in pink and black and gray, so it matches everything. This is my B6 journal, as I said, and it's also with the index on the front. This is an option, by the way. This is not in every journal, it's an option. They also match the pink inside of the cover. So gorgeous. And it's also a grid. This will be my well, catch-all journal, I think. Thoughts and drawings and journaling and everything in one. I have one journal that I use right now as a catch-all journal. I call it a catch-all journal. I'm not sure how to call it, but that one is almost full, so that's why I ordered this one, and it's amazing. It's gorgeous. I love the feeling of the cover. And the paper, it's so gorgeous. This one is a chunky, by the way, and it has 408 pages in total. So, and I chose for a lotus because, well, you see, my tattoo is also a lotus. It has a special meaning to me. So, I thought this is very personal, my journal. So I wanted to get that one. I love it. I am so in love with it. Ooh, I can't wait for the last one. The last one is kind of a journal my husband and my kids chose with me together, because I was so I didn't know what to get, and they said just get all 3 of them. Oh, it's so amazing. This is one of their fall collections, their autumn collection, and it's called Berries, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it's Berries. It's a hardcover journal with 100 grams multimedia paper. It's a chunky, so 408 pages if I'm not mistaken. With page markers, of course, there. And I also chose to get the page numbers and the index in front. Oh, I love this. It's gorgeous. This color is so amazing, and I love fall. Fall is my favorite season. It used to be summer, but now it's fall. Fall is my favorite season. So this is the index. Again, 3 gorgeous pages of index, and the amazing. I can't get over the feeling of the paper. It's so amazing, and I think it's very nice paper to write on, but also to draw on. So it's not too smooth. I don't like too smooth paper. It's not my thing, but it's smooth enough for me. But it also has some. It has some. How do you call it? Grip to it. I'm not sure if that's a correct word. Excuse me. But I love it. I love the feeling of it. Did I say I got? Oh yeah, I got a name on the front. And this will be my diary. As in, dear diary, I experienced this today. No, it's going to be my diary and my personal diary. Everything I have in my mind, everything I want to write down and remember for the future, or just write down and get out of my mind. It's my personal private diary. No one will read this ever. So I'm not going to share anything I write in here, but maybe if I make a gorgeous page in this journal, I will share it with you on my Instagram page. My Instagram page, the link is in the description box below. So if you want to see that, please follow me. I would really love that. And I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Usually I film in Dutch. That's my first language, well, it's usually plan with me videos and journaling videos, and I'm trying to make some DIY videos. So if you're not, if you don't understand me, you can also watch what I'm doing, and maybe you'll get some great ideas from me. I hope so. I hope I inspire a lot of people with my channel someday. But this is what I wanted to show you today. My gorgeous journals from the Citrus book bindery, and I am so in love with them already. This was one I was dreaming about a couple of days ago. I was wondering how it would look, what it would look like. And well, the other ones, they are amazing, and they have so many options. It's sometimes very difficult to choose. So that's why I chose 3, but they have a lot of options. So please check their website and see if you like something, and I hope you do. I can see that the lighting in here doesn't do the colors justice, so I will try to make some nice pictures tomorrow, and when it's day and daylight, not midnight. Just in normal daylight, to see if I can get better pictures. So if you want to see those pictures, please just follow my Instagram or go to my Instagram. The link is down below, and I hope I can share some other pictures with you to show you the real gorgeous colors on these journals, because this lighting here and here at our dining table, it's just not doing these colors justice. This is actually kind of light pink, but it shows up kind of gold on the on camera. So I hope I can make gorgeous pictures tomorrow. Yeah, okay. And don't forget to like this video if you like it. Leave a comment down below if you also have one of these journals, or maybe another journal from the Citrus book bindery. I would really love to know. And what do you do with yours? What do you write in yours? How do you use yours? So that's it actually. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time again. Bye bye.